Hi everybody and welcome back to the Wolf Den Library. My name is Miss Evelyn. I'm afraid we will not have a video this week. I have tried several times to record a video of me reading the next chapter of Dracula by Bram Stoker, and I am coughing too hard to read the book. Every time I try to read it, I start coughing, and then the video isn't very good. So I've decided that I'm going to skip making a video this week. Hopefully next week my cough will be a little bit better and we can read then. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.